Warren Secord Automotive Tire Pros has been a fixture in Kent for decades. Warren Secord opened his shop in 1965. I'm owner Bill Winans. I bought this shop from Warren in 2009, and I've kept the same professionalism and customer care that he did. As our name implies, we have a great supply of tires for your car or truck. We've been on the west side of Kent for over 50 years. Come make us your automotive shop.
Does your car need a major repair, or is it time to stop putting money into it and get a new vehicle? If you've decided to buy, it's time to determine if leasing, buying a new, or buying a used car is best. What about leasing? Well, a lease is simply the most expensive way to buy a vehicle. Extra fees are added if too many miles are driven, if uncertain wear and tear is found, and if you decide not to buy the car when your lease is up. Plus, every month, your lease payment goes to cover the car's depreciation along with the dealer's profit. These reasons and others, leasing may not be your wisest choice. For a brand new car, ask yourself if you would like the value of your car to decrease 25% after only 1 year, or how about 60% after 5 years. The depreciation on a new vehicle is jaw-dropping. A $20,000 car will be worth about $8,000 only after 5 years. Still, a new car can be more dependable, cost you less in service and repair, and often comes with protection warranties. Plus, there's that new car smell and pride of ownership. Economically, your best bet is to buy a used car. Money you have saved from not fixing your old car, combined with cash from selling it, wisely planning your budget, and not absorbing the initial rapid depreciation of a new vehicle, makes getting a great quality used car a good choice for most people.
Did you learn anything in this video? If you're now inspired to fix or check out what you saw here, we can help. Come see us.